Okay guys, so what we have is a new product that is new to Catch Pro. It's the Advanced Chute System, the chute blocker cover. And as you can see, this is mounted on just by 3 bolts on top of your deck. And this is on a stand-on machine. It mounts exactly the same way on a sit-down. So what you'll be doing is, now there is extended handles for these that would probably hop up here. I really don't find it too much effort to just open it. So what you'll do is, when you're slashing your paddocks, 9 times out of 10 you'll probably have that open. When you are going around cars, windows, really any obstacles that you don't want debris flying out and hitting, you can close this and all of your debris will just go around and drop down. It has holes in it here just for airflow, so really just keeps mixing it all around. On this particular model, you can see my deck is curved, so just like the Bobcats, some Huskies, some Ferris decks, this plate is attached so that when you shut that off, it also shuts this off. This is actually an extra, and we actually have found that if you don't use that plate, then it still performs really well. What you do get is a little bit of debris shooting out the back, but it's like much of a muchness. Now, for anyone out there who has a Catch Pro already, we're just gonna demonstrate how the two can work together. So that's up, and your Catch Pro will just down straight on. So what you have here now is pretty much the ultimate lawn care combo. When you've got jobs that you need to collect the grass, you've got your Catch Pro going. If you're out in an open field, you can discharge, and then when you're doing other properties that also don't need catching, you can mulch this up, and also it's just a really safe combo to have. So you're no longer shooting out those grass clippings, you know, pedestrians, windows, cars, even on the road realistically. You know, so check this out at catchpro.com.au, and let us know what you think too, guys. Thanks. Did that go all right?